I was supposed to do Munna Bhai. Me and Rani were supposed to do Munna Bhai. But I think that was very difficult to play somebody who's there in front of you every day on TV. To play it and not look like a mimicry artist, not look like a caricature, because everybody does Mitron, in that nasal tone and tries to copy him, because he really doesn't speak like that. It was a terrible experience, in terms of the release and getting caught there, being the first film to be stopped by the Election Commission of India.
So Vivek, सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. How are you? सबसे पहले.
Thank you, धन्यवाद. Doing well and very positive state of mind, and trying to do my best to keep engaged. Family के साथ भी थोड़ा quality time spend करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, अपने आप के साथ भी.
Vivek, talking a little about your filmography, I have a little quiz for you, okay? And this basically like a rapid fire, okay? You cannot be like diplomatic. You have to be very honest, and you will answer whatever you feel like and whatever comes into your head, okay? So a very basic, easy sort of a rapid fire.
मतलब बच्चों के होमवर्क के साथ में आप मुझे भी होमवर्क दे रही हैं. जितना होमवर्क मैंने स्कूल में डॉज किया था, अब उसका पूरा कसर निकल रहा है, तो मुझे बच्चों के साथ में बैठ के वो होमवर्क करना पड़ रहा है उनका.
No, but this is just like a rapid fire, It's
sure.
Something that
I'm just kidding.
It's very easy. Yeah, very basic. Okay. Which is your best performance according to you?
It's very difficult to say that, because I've had a crazy range of films.
Yeah.
My favorite film of my own is Company, because it was my first love. It was my first ever performance, so that's always closest to your heart. Pehla Pyar जिसे कहते हैं. But I love the roles I've been lucky enough to play, whether it's a negative like Shootout at Lokhandwala and Maya Rollers, whether it's Kaal, or whether it's playing a biopic like Rakta Charitra or PM Narendra Modi, or which actually incidentally is 1 year today. ऐसी दिन को पिछले साल release हुई थी. And I love the opportunities I got to play in Satya, in terms of a really simple love story, honest love story. Yuva, Omkara, these are the roles that I've really enjoyed playing and that stay with me.
Which is a film that you regret doing? Do you have any films that you regret doing now that you think of it?
I think KLPD.
Okay, yeah.
Proper regret.
Okay. A film you regret not doing, like कोई अगर film आपके पास आपको offer हुई हो and then it went to some other actor, and after the film released you're like, oh, I wish I had accepted the offer.
Oh, so many. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
But many of them were not because I said no. Many of them were because I was stuck. I couldn't do. So Munna Bhai MBBS, for example, with Raju Hirani, I was supposed to do Munna Bhai. Me and Rani were supposed to do Munna Bhai, but the release of Satya got delayed, and the promotions got delayed, and then the dates got delayed, and then Vinod sir got angry with me because he said I need the dates now, and then so it was one of those situations. And then anyway, the film got shot much later, but that was a film that I regret not having been part of, not having worked with Raju Hirani, legendary filmmaker.
The most difficult role of your career?
I think the most challenging one was definitely PM Narendra Modi. I think that was very difficult to play somebody who's there in front of you every day on TV. To play it and not look like a mimicry artist, not look like a caricature, because everybody does Mitron, in that nasal tone and tries to copy him, because he really doesn't speak like that, but people try and make it funny. So it's kind of very difficult to play it and capture the spirit of it and try to bring that strength in your eyes that he has. And he's a very he's a figure that there's a lot of people who absolutely adore him, love him, worship him. They're even called bhakts, and then there are the haters, who want to tear apart everything. अच्छी बात भी बोल रहे हैं, तो they want to still attack that अच्छी बात. मतलब they want to make fun of even that. So he's one of those figures. So performing that role and walking that mid path was very difficult. It was very gratifying for me. The kind of reviews we got, the kind of standing ovations we got, it was really amazing. I just wish we had a chance to release it when we wanted to, and didn't get caught up in the whole Supreme Court mess, and then ended up getting 1/4 of the theaters that we were supposed to because our dates got delayed. We had to come just ad hoc release. It was a terrible experience, you know, in terms of the release and getting caught there, being the first film to be stopped by the Election Commission of India. That was a horrible experience.
Okay. A film you wish which had come to you, like a film that you saw in the theaters and you wish that, you know, I wish the film came to me and you would have done that role.
I'm a hungry actor like that. I love good roles. I love to see, you know, performances that are incredible and feel like, yeah, I wish I could have done this role or I could have done this performance. But there are times as an actor I feel ki, you know, maybe it was best that this actor did it. You know, I wish I could do it as an actor, but I wish this actor, you know, when he did it, I think this was the best thing. This was the best actor for the role. So, you know, you have a film like Gully Boy, for example. You never imagine Ranveer, who's so high energy, and I personally love him, who's so high energy, who's so much fun, who does Simba, can be so real and so honest. And Zoya is just such a fantastic director. He brings out that performance in a Gully Boy. So to me, it's not about just the commercial success. It's about playing that very difficult to play role. The most difficult roles are where you come across as not acting, just being. That's the most difficult role.
All right. A film that you're looking forward to?
A film that I'm looking forward to 1983.
Yeah, agreed.
I'm a big cricket fan, big patriot, love Kabir's work, love Ranveer, so it's going to be awesome.
Which is the last film that you watched?
The last film that I watched is... what did I watch last? Thappad.
Thappad, okay. And the last TV series that you watched?
अंग्रेजी में I watched Hollywood. हिंदी में I watched Hollywood नाम की एक series आई है on Netflix. It's just come out. So I watched that. That's the last series I watched. Billions. I watched that too. Just now. The new season's out. And Hindi mein I watched Paatal Lok.
Okay, of course. Which is your most favorite films of all times? Favorite film.
Very difficult question. Yeah. I'm somebody who loves cinema. So for me, it depends on the mood. बच्चों के साथ देखनी है तो चलती का नाम गाड़ी. I can watch it 100 times with the kids. It's the most amazing film. प्रियंका के साथ देखनी है तो in fact recently I showed my kids DDLJ for the first time. And when I told them कि I went to the theater when I was in junior college and I went to the theater to watch DDLJ 17 times. And I told Shahrukh when I first met him when we were shooting for Satya and he was there with me for 4 nights. We used to sit together and I used to tell him, you know, I went to the theater 17 times to watch DDLJ. Pocket money बनती थी, सीधा चले जाता था DDLJ देखता था. I was a big DDLJ fan. So I rediscovered DDLJ with my kids recently. Sholay is an all-time classic. You don't realize how long the film is, but it's amazing. I showed my kids Lagan. Again, just brilliant as a movie. So yeah, these are the films that I think are some of the all-time classics in Hindi.
Vivek, it was amazing chatting with you.
Pleasure.
And really looking forward to seeing you more on the screen. And all the very best.
Thank you. Before going, I'd just like to say, I think there are times like this which are challenging. Sometimes we feel alone, we feel depressed, we feel sad. And I believe that when you're feeling lonely, when you're feeling sad, the best thing to do is to reach out and put a smile on somebody else's face to help an organization like Cancer Patients Aid Association to know that you helped save a child's life, a family's life by whatever little gesture you did. Donated or promoted or went out there and told 10 people, whatever you can do.
Yeah.
But when you do that, I think the fulfillment that you feel will get you out of loneliness, will get you out of depression. You realize that you're with so many people, unknown strangers, but they love you and they're sending so many beautiful duas for you. So that's all I'd like to say.
Thank you so much for this beautiful, beautiful thought. To say all the very best. And thank you so much for connecting.
All right, Shweta. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.